Hey everybody, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. I have my October, it's kind of rewind kind of plan with me. It's currently the 18th of October, so we're like more than halfway done with the month, and I still have some of the month left to go. So these are my Jasenia Printables B6 inserts, and then my kit is from my Nose Addiction. Of course, this one is not my favorite, but purple is just not my favorite color, especially like dusty purple. It's just kind of blah to me, but I still really love the floral and the gold foil, and then there's like a little pumpkin and stuff, so it's really cute. I'm going to pair these two washies with this kit. I have a I don't know, seafoam kind of green vine, which I think is upside down because the heart is upside down. And then the tan, I think I'm going to do the tan. There's some like tannish colors in the floral, just to bring in a neutral. These are both 5mm, and then the kit also comes with the date covers as well as the clear sheet. Everything has gold foil on it, and it is super pretty. So I'm gonna just speed through kind of this first part where I put the sidebar, the bottom, the dates, and then the date numbers down, because that's fairly boring. And I just filmed September, and I kind of need to give my voice a break because I still cough a lot. By fast forwarding, I can save on some of my talking and still get some videos done today because I feel behind. I hope that's straight. Okay, you guys, so here is the base of the kit. I think it is gorgeous. I like my washi selection. I like the little bit of neutral in there and then the little pop of green. It pulls out some of the green. The date covers are interesting because she stopped foiling the top banner. So before it was foiled, so I would put my numbers or my days of the week above it because foil on foil was just kind of getting lost, but now she doesn't foil that part anymore, so I put the date covers on top of it, which is just different. The washi strip in the middle here is for my fall break, to mark that. And another change is that we only get 4 of these little boxes now. We used to get 6, and this sheet is slightly different, kind of, sort of. So I don't know. It's just different, but I think she's changed it again since then, so maybe November's will be different. But I don't know, like we used to get these boxes that were quite a bit bigger. Yeah, like a third again bigger, a quarter again bigger, and you used to get 6 of them. So I'm like, what happened to my whole spread? But there you go. So I don't know how I'm going to mark all this. Let's see. So on the 14th, sorry that I'm just sort of jumping in. That was my moving day. And the 13th was getting my keys. So those are definitely getting boxes. And then my mom and dad arrived on the 11th here to help me pack. Yeah, see, I don't know. I should have maybe centered it. I don't know how I feel about that. Then my parents left on the 16th. So we'll mark all of those things like that. And then we'll go in with these. So Columbus Day, I don't know that I really care, but it was on the 14th. Halloween is the 31st, of course. And then we have happy birthdays. There is an appointment sticker, and I have a hair appointment. Today's the 18th. I have a hair appointment tomorrow. And I think, yes, there's little scissors. So we'll put that. Cannot wait. My hair is raggedy. I usually mark my payday, which was today. Normally it would be the 20th, but the 20th is a weekend, so we get paid the 18th. Let's see here. Memories this month, next month. Birthdays. Okay. Oops. Just throwing things around. So, next week is like chock full of birthdays. So Dave's is the 24th, or 25th, I mean. My niece's is the 24th. My friend Monique is the 23rd. And then my roommate from college, her birthday was on the 1st. Let's see. My friend Angela's birthday was on the 5th. And then my friend Kelly's birthday is the 16th. And my new friend at work, Pam, her birthday's in October also. I can't remember what day it was though. I need to like find that out from her and get it on my calendar because she's like amazing. I've got my little house, so I'm gonna put that here on move-in day. I don't have any appointments besides my hair appointment. I don't think I went to the doctor. Oh, wait. I think I did go to the doctor. Sure did. I went to the doctor on the 8th because I'm still sick. And I was still sick. So I got more medicine and whatnot then. I also had to take my car in that day because my tire pressure sensor was on the 7th, and then as soon as I was pulling up to the place, it went off, and I was like, whatever, I'm going home. And then I came back on. Let's see. On that Friday, my grades were due, which was like super important because it was the end of the quarter. Oh, and then on the 17th, I had, maybe I'll do, I don't know how to mark this. I had a guy come in to fix my internet because, of course, it didn't work when I set it up. The like outlet was dead or whatever, which I don't understand because the person before me had the same internet service, and I'm like, how did they use it? And he was like, well, maybe in a different outlet. And I'm like, when I was on the phone with customer service, we checked that outlet too. Okay, tire check, doctor appointment. Quarter 1 ends, grades due. Mom and dad. See, these are like tiny. This was a packing day, the 12th. So I think I'll mark that with a bow. My parents definitely helped me pack. And then the 13th was also a packing day. We also went to my school that day to take things in. like my school stuff that I still had sitting around my apartment. So we took that to school. And then here I got my keys, moving day. I'll write in here fall break. Fall break. This is Kelly's birthday. That's mom and dad leave. Didn't even write arrive on that one. Let's see. This is Xfinity appointment. Haircut. Let's see. 23rd is Monique. This is Maya. This is Dave. Halloween. Okay, so what else do I have going on the rest of the month? That's the real question. So we have a maintenance coming on the 25th. Guess I'll just use a bow. Oops. They're checking like air filters and all that kind of stuff. And actually on the 17th, I had maintenance come also because the light under my my microwave wasn't working. So I reported it and they had maintenance come over right away. I don't know. I think it's just normal the rest of the week. Or the rest of the 2 weeks. I don't think I have anything. As of right now, I don't have anything else planned the last 2 weeks of October. They're just going back to work and regular work weeks. And I don't have any plans really. I should go to Pilates because I haven't made it to Pilates like ever. But I've been sick and moving, so, and now I'm far away. So yeah, there you go. Again, I have bills and stuff, but it's good, whatever. So here is my October spread using my Newest Addictions B6 kit and my B6 Jasenia Printables monthly inserts. If you have any questions, please ask them. Let me know how your October is going. Let me know if you're dressing up for Halloween, or if you did dress up for Halloween, since you'll probably see this later. I am not, but yeah, it's okay. I don't know. Get excited in a couple months. Hit that bell so that you can see my flip through of all my Newest Addiction spreads. They are so gorgeous. I just flip through them like on my own sometimes because it's so pretty to flip through these. But otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will talk to you later. Bye.